sun in the sky goes shine and shine, shine and shine, shine and shine. The sun in the sky goes shine and shine all across the town. The moon on the orbit goes round and round, round and round, round and round. The moon on the orbit goes round and round till it finds the sun. The moon on the sun goes black and black, black and black, black and black. The moon on the sun goes black and black as the days are dark. Bye-bye!
Ano yan? Hi guys! Kumusta? Okay naman. Alam niyo ba? Meron ako hindi na panood na balita. Magkakaroon na ng tips.
Ano yun?
Kasi di ba mangyari yun? Oo, posibleng mangyari yun. Magandang araw mga bata. Ako si Aimee at ngayon pag-uusapan natin kung ano nga ba ang eclipse. Handang-handa na ba kayo? Tara, alamin natin! In astronomy, an eclipse happens when one celestial body, like the moon or a planet, moves into the shadow of another. This means something blocks your view of something else in space. For example, the sun is eclipsed when the moon moves between the sun and the earth, blocking its light. Ito ang tinatawag nating solar eclipse.
Yun pala yung solar eclipse?
Oo, yun. And when the moon moves into the shadow of the earth, we see lunar eclipse. Amazing, di ba?
Oo nga.
And now, we will look back to the history of eclipse.
For thousands of years, eclipses have amazed and sometimes scared people. In fact, ancient civilization used eclipse as historical milestone. In 585 BC, a solar eclipse stopped a war between the Lydians and the Medes. Imagine, biglang tumigil ang labanan dahil nagdilim ang langit. The Babylonians recorded eclipse as early as 700 BC. Even writers like Herodotus, Caesari, and Pliny used eclipse to mark important events. And in 1504, Christopher Columbus used a lunar eclipse to convince the people of Jamaica to give his group food. He predicted the eclipse and people were amazed.
Tingnan nyo! Matatapan yung araw ng buwan! Kung may eclipse sa umaga, may eclipse ka sa gabi.
Oh, syempre naman. Meron tayong dalawang uri ng eclipse. Ito ay solar eclipse and lunar eclipse. Solar eclipse happen about once every 18 months and only lasts a few minutes. Lunar eclipse. This happens when the Earth blocks sunlight from reaching the moon. This only happens during a full moon. In a total lunar eclipse, the moon can even turn red.
Well, why do you think eclipse matters?
Okay, eclipse matters because it teaches about how the Earth, the moon, and the sun moves. We have ancient people also record such stories even today. Scientists use them to study the sun's atmosphere and improve our understanding of space.
Meron kayong iba't ibang uri ng solar eclipse.
Ano ba yun? Ano pa yan?
There are 4 types or categories of solar eclipse. The first one is total solar eclipse. Total solar eclipse happens when the moon perfectly lines up between the sun and earth. People in the center of the moon's shadow see the sky go very dark, almost like a nighttime. The second one is partial solar eclipse. Partial solar eclipse happens when the sun, moon, and earth are not exactly lined up. Only a small part of the sun is covered. The third one is annular solar eclipse. Annular solar eclipse happens when the moon is farther from Earth. It looks smaller so it doesn't block the sun completely. It creates a beautiful ring light of sunlight around the moon. And the last one is hybrid solar eclipse. Hybrid solar eclipse looks like a total eclipse in some places and annular in others because of the Earth's curvature.
Total solar eclipse. Come see my narrow path in which I travel on the Earth's surface. This is a total solar eclipse. My totality is awe-inspiring, so don't miss this. A solar eclipse has several areas we need to discuss. Take a look at this picture to learn each part is a must. Here's a penumbra, a partially shaded outer region surrounding the umbra, a fully shaded inner part that's darkened. A partial eclipse is what you're seeing right here, when only part of the luminary of a celestial body's darkened there. This is a total eclipse, it's red on your screen. It's when the whole of the disk of the sun is covered, that's what it means. This is a total solar eclipse. Come see my narrow path in which I travel on the Earth's surface. This is a total solar eclipse. My totality is awe-inspiring, so don't miss this.
Now, let's look back at the 3 types of lunar eclipses. So, ano-ano nga ba ito? Una, total lunar eclipse. Paano nga ba ito nangyayari? It happens when the Earth is exactly between the Sun and the Moon. The Moon turns red because the sunlight passes through the Earth's atmosphere. Partial lunar eclipse. It occurs when only a part of the Moon enters Earth's shadow. The shadowed side appears dark from the Earth. And the last one is the penumbral lunar eclipse. Paano nga ba nangyayari ito? So it happens when the Sun, Earth, and Moons are slightly misaligned. The Moon is the outer shadow is called penumbra, so it's harder to notice.
Eclipses have inspired many myths and legends worldwide. For example, in Korea, eclipses myths fire dogs trying to steal the sun or moon. In Hindu legend, it means Demi Rahu swallowing the sun or the moon. In romance, eclipse serve as warning of human sins. In Bata Maleba people, the sun and moon are fighting. People must help restore harmony. And in Vietnamese, it means a fragment thought divorce the sun. Some cultures even had practices to stay safe, like fasting or lighting candles, while others saw it as a time for reflection and balance.
Today, some Buddhists see solar eclipse as a special time to increase merit. Lama Zopa Rinpoche recommends activities like reciting mantras, following Mahayana precepts, performing pujas, and reading special sutras. So whether it's a science or tradition, eclipses are always a chance to learn, observe, and reflect. Now, you know the different types and categories of solar and lunar eclipses, and the fascinating story people have told about them for centuries. Next time you see an eclipse, remember, you're witnessing one of the nature's amazing shows.
Kaya mga bata,
The next time you hear about an eclipse,
Tandaan!
hindi lang ito simpleng pagdilim,
It's a reminder of how amazing our universe truly is.
Keep looking at the sky!
bye!
Bye!